Hello students, now this is question number 15. Okay, what is the question? True or false? Okay, first question is the number of digits in a square number is even. It is false because in any square number the number either even or odd. Okay, not always even, because 81, 49 it is here even odd. Okay, so it is false. Second question is the square of a prime number is prime. False. Okay, because 3 is prime number but its square is 9, so 9 is not a prime number. Okay, it is divisible by 3. Okay, now the sum of two square number is a square number. It is also false. Okay, I give one example. 1 is square of 1 square. Okay, and the square of 2 is 4, but 1 plus 4 is equal to 5, which is not a square number. 5 is not a square number, so it is false. Okay, now what is 6 number question? The difference of two or more square numbers is a square number. It is also false, because square of 1 is 1 and square of 2 is 4, but 4 minus 1 3, and 3 is not a square number. Okay, now fifth number is the product of two square number is a square number. It is true. Okay, I explain. If a square and b square are two square number, then their product is a square into b square. That means a into b to the power whole square, which is a square. Okay, so it is true. Product is true. Now 6 number question is no square number is negative. It is true, because the square of a negative number will be positive. We know square of minus 2 is 4 and the square of minus 2 is also 4. Okay, so in square there is no negative numbers. Okay, now 7 number question. There is no square number between 50 and 60. It is true, because the square of 7 is 49 and the square of 8 is 64, and 7 and 8 are consecutive. Okay, so there is no square number from 49 to 64. Okay, so up from 50 to 60 there is no square number. It is true. Now question number 8. There are 14 square number up to 200. It is true, because square of 14 is 196 and below 200. Okay, 196 is below 200, so there are 14 square numbers below 200. Okay, now this is exercise 3.4. what is the first question? Write the possible units digit of the square root of the following numbers. Which of these numbers are odd square root? Okay, so there are 4 questions. Since first question solution is the unit digit of number 9801 is 1, unit digit is 1, so the possible unit digit are 1 or 9. Okay, because the square of 1 is 1 and the square of 9 is 81. In 81 the unit digit is 1, so there are 2 possibility. So square also the square root is an odd number, because 9801 is odd, so its square root is odd. Okay, Now, second question. The unit digit of the number 99856 is 6. The unit digit is 6. So, the possible unit digit of its square root is 4 and 6. Because square of 4 is 16, so unit digit is 6. And in square of 6 is 36, so unit digit is 36. So, there is two possibility of square root in unit digit, that is 4. Okay. Also the square root is an even number because the number is even, so its square root is also even. Okay. Now third number similar to first. Okay. Fourth number, the unit digit of the number 657660025 is 5 because the only possible unit digit is 5, because whose unit digit is 5, that's square also unit digit is 5. Okay. Also the square root is an odd number because 5 is an odd number. Okay. Now question number 2, find square root of each of the following by prime factorization. You know prime factorization method is very simple method. Firstly we divide it by prime numbers. Okay. So we take from least number to highest number. Okay. So here we take 3 because it is not divisible by 2. So here we get a pair of 3 and a pair of 7. So square root of 441 is 3 into 27, which is 21. Okay. So square root of 441 is 21. Similarly, square root of 529, because 529 is not divided only by 23 because 23 is prime number. So we take here a pair of 23. So the square root of 529 is 23. Okay. Alright. Now question number 7. 7056. We divide it by 2. Okay. And up to division we get 441, and 441 is similar to question number 1. So we divide again by prime factorization method. We get a pair of 2 pair of 1, here 2 pair of 1, again 2 pair of 1, and 2 pair of 1, 1 pair of 3, and 1 pair of 7. So square root is 2 into 2 into 3 into 7, means 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12, 12 7s are 84. So answer is 84. In question number 8, 8281, it means we divide it by 7 because it is not divisible by 2 and 3. Okay. And 5, you know. So we divide it by 7. After division we get 169, and 169 is a square of 13. So we write here. So we get a pair of 7 and a pair of 13. So square root of 8281 is 7 into 31, that is 91. You can do other question, remaining questions similar to this. Okay. I did not solve the exercise 3.3. Okay, because 3.3 is not possible to solve online. Okay, when I will solve it offline when school are reopen. Okay.